Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a command called Set-Acl in Powershell. So I'll just open the Powershell first, and at first let's check out the help menu of Set-Acl command. So if you see, these are the syntax and the parameters which was given for the Set-Acl command, and let's go and check a detailed view of Set-Acl. And these are the parameters which is given for the Set-Acl command, and let's check out what are the examples by default which is given in the PowerShell. So we see there are no examples given here, so what we can do is we can go for a online to check the examples plus the parameters plus the syntax. So we want to type get help and the command which was given, that is a Set-Acl command and -online. So if you just give this command and hit enter, it will open your browser with the page for the Set-Acl command from the Microsoft, and you need to have a valid internet connection for this. And I'm just going to hit enter here, and if you see, it has just opened the Microsoft site with the Set-Acl command page, and here you can see, and this command was used for the changing the security descriptor or of a file or a registry, and these are the syntax which was given for the Set-Acl command, and these are the parameters which is given here. And if you check it out, the examples you can see here is some of the examples which is given in the Microsoft site itself. So let's check out the example here, and before that what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a file called dog.txt in C drive. So I'm just going to what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create from the if so I'll just save this comment since it was not having any permission. I'll just save it in the documents folder itself. So I'll just reopen the PowerShell here. So the file was here, so no problem with that. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run this example. So before running this example, I'll just show you how to get the security descriptor, that is the NTFS file permission of a file. So what I'm going to do is get -acl. So if you want to get a detailed description about this get acl command, you can just check it out in my previous video. I would have explained about this command in a detailed manner. So I'm just going to type get ACL and type the file which you are going to check. I'm just going to hit enter. Here you can see so here you can see the detailed description about the file doc.txt, and here you can see the detailed description about it. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to get the variables of this file and going to save that variables to this file which I'm going to create in that folder. So this is for the Set-Acl command will be used. So I'm just going to import the settings of this file to this file. That is, I'm just going to import the settings, that is the security descriptor, that is the NTFS permission of this doc.txt to the cat.txt. So before that, I will just create a file called cat here. Cat and let's check it out. So the file exists. What I'm going to create is, let's copy this command or just type it. dogacl is equal to get ACL, and you need to copy this path, or you can just type so I've just used the tab command to fulfill this command, tab, so keep in mind that. And I'm just going to set the security descriptor, that is the permissions of this file doc.txt to this variable docacl. Now I'm just going to hit the enter here. So the variables have been set. So let's check the variables of this file. So if you see here, you can see the file name and the owner of the file and the security descriptor of this file. And now I'm just going to transfer the security descriptor to another file. So set-acl, and you need to mention the path here, cat.txt hyphen. So from which object you are going to import, you need to mention that import. You can also specify the path here, or it will be simple if I mention the variable here. So I'm just going to mention the variable here, doc.acl. I'm just going to hit enter here. So if you see, you'll have all the options which was given to this folder, this file, from doc.txt to this cat.ac. So this is how you import your settings from one file to another file. So the same option includes for the folder also, and there are many more commands for this file. Like you can also use this command, like with the help of the pipeline also you can do. You can also assign a variable, and you can also use the pipeline here. So let's check out this option. So I just right click here so that the command which was copied, or the text which was copied from here, will be pasted into the PowerShell. I'm just going to hit enter here. So let's see what happened here. So the path is the problem here. I'm just going to change. So the command will execute now. So if you see here, command was executed, and this is how you will transfer the security descriptor or the interface permissions from one file to the another file. I think it might be helpful to you and it will be clear for you. If you are not clear, you can just comment it down and I can explain it in a more detailed manner in some other video for you. Thank you for watching the video now.